Nike Zoom Vomero 5 has transitioned from its track roots to becoming a versatile lifestyle sneaker, often seen in malls and airports. Yet, Nike continues to highlight its outdoor-ready potential through the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Roam, which first debuted in fall 2024. This updated version features a reinforced midsole resembling a rubber bucket system, engineered to keep feet dry in rain, puddles, or mud. Such weather-resistant qualities even suggest it could be ideal for golf, though Nike has not yet pursued that direction. Balancing performance-driven comfort with functional upgrades, the Roam stands out as both stylish and practical. Now arriving in the Sequoia colorway, alongside additional releases, this model will be available in late fall to early holiday season for $180 on Nike.com and select retailers, offering sneaker enthusiasts a refined blend of utility and comfort.